ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome back to our learning time. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do every day, our daily routine. From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, we all have special things we do each day. Are you ready to share your routine? Let's start. Let's learn about my daily routine. You can repeat after me. I wake up early. I open my eyes and get ready for a new day. I brush my teeth. I keep my teeth clean and shiny every morning. I wash my face. It helps me feel fresh and awake. I take a bath. I use soap and water to keep my body clean. I get dressed. I wear my school uniform and prepare to go to school. I eat breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy to start my day strong. I go to school. I learn new things and meet my friends. I study my lessons. I listen to my teacher and do my schoolwork. I play with my friends. Playing makes me happy and strong. I eat lunch. Lunchtime gives me more energy to learn and play. I go home. After school, I go home and rest a little. I do my homework. I review my lessons and write in my notebook. I help my parents. I like helping with small chores at home. I eat dinner. I enjoy dinner time with my family. I take a bath again. I get clean and ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I always brush before sleeping to keep my teeth healthy. I say good night. I tell my family good night before going to sleep. I go to bed. I close my eyes and have sweet dreams. Great job, everyone! You've just learned about a fun daily routine. We wake up, go to school, play, help, and sleep. Every day is full of learning and joy. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite part of your day? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning fun. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye.